morning video. It's a little dreary out, so I was trying to get a little perception of what it would look like when it's kind of dark out. You can see Mr. Sun is hidden. Let's go watch some cars drive by. I'm just holding the camera, it's not even mounted on anything. There's a look at the garden. No squirrel in the tree for an action shot, so we'll get some cars. I'll get a few of them coming at you. A few of them driving right past, so you can see that how clear the picture is, how clear the action is. That's following a car going about 45 miles an hour. But overall, you can see the video quality is absolutely phenomenal. Second to none. I also own a GoPro, which is now on my shelf, as I'm using this camera as my daily driver now. I'm shooting all my review videos with it. There's a bird in the tree, if I can just get him on there. Oh, he flew up. Hopefully we caught him.